Welcome to School in the Pool, and today we are going to talk about 5 easy steps to swim freestyle efficiently and perfect. Okay, step 1, you push and glide from the lid. So the reason why you have to push and glide from the wall is that is how you begin your stroke. So to get the start, you have to push from the wall. And when you get to a certain point whereby you know that your glide is done, get down and then you push again to keep your body on the surface so that you can begin the stroke very perfectly. Okay, so step 2, we're going to talk about how to move the legs in the water in the name of flutter case. So people intend to do the kick this way, that is with over bending leg, and there's sometimes under bending leg. So it's more of like you're kicking a football, right? So you bend the leg to this angle. That's the 35 angle. You set it forward and bring it back, set it forward and bring it back. All right? So we're going to practice that in the water. Okay, so another common mistake people know what to do when it comes to the flutter kicks is they keep the foot this way, and that doesn't help at all. You have to keep the toes pointed for the water to be able to catch to the leg. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate with the toes bent this way, and then also demonstrate with the toes bent this way. Fine. So firstly, I'm going to go with the toes bent this way. So you realize I'm not moving at all, right? So the next thing you have to do is keep the toes pointed and move forward. Now, you realize how easy and fast I got here? So you always have to keep your toes pointed and move. Okay, so step 3. We're going to talk about the hand movements, how to get the hand efficiently with the water. Okay, well, it's a bit more technical, so you have to relax and get the full movements correct. So you keep the hands, the hands of it, drop the wrists, pull the hands to your body. Make sure you get the elbow height, set it back, and recover out of the water. Same also happens the next arm. Drop the wrist, pull the hands to the body. Make sure you get the elbow height, send the hand back, and then recover out of the water. It's a bit more technical. You have to practice it more to get it perfect. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it in the water. Okay, so step 4. We're to talk about how to breathe in the water. When it comes to swimming, breathing in the water is differently. We take in air through the mouth, we release it through the nose. What's your breath taking? Taking air through the mouth and you release it through the nose. So when you're swimming freestyle, you come up for air on the side. Almost like breaststroke, you come up for air, looking forward. Backstroke, the head is totally out, and fly and back to top for air, looking forward. In freestyle, we come up for air on the side. So you do a couple of strokes, but let's say for beginners, I want you to do the 4 strokes before you come off one. More are going to be this way. Alright, so you realize I'm not lifting up the head to come out for you. I only turn the head to the side to get the head. Alright? Alright, so now I'm going to combine the hand movements with the breathing. So you realize I wasn't lifting my head up this way. I only turn to the side to come up for it. People don't want it to lift up their head and come out for it. No, you have to always turn it to the side and come out for it. Like hard. So we combine all the steps. We're going to try a full freestyle. We're going to practice a couple of times to get it perfect. Okay. That's it. You have to practice it a couple of times to get it perfect. And then once again, this is School in the Pool. Like, share, subscribe. The same you hope.